Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to make TikTok videos with different clips. To do this, we have 12 steps for you. First, download the TikTok app. Install the TikTok app from the Google Play Store. Tap on Open, and once opened, make sure to log in into your account. Plan your content. Decide your theme, video idea, and how you combine different clips to make it engaging. Record or collect clips. Use your phone's camera to record the clips or gather pre-recorded ones from your gallery. Open TikTok and start creating. Tap the plus button at the bottom center and choose Upload to add clips from your gallery. Select multiple clips. Choose the clips you want to include by tapping on them in your gallery. You can choose multiple videos or images. Then hit Next. Trim clips as needed. Tap on Video. Then tap on the trim in the right corner. Use TikTok's built-in trimming tool to shorten or adjust the duration of each clip for a smoother flow by moving the edges of the clip. Reorder your clips. Tap and hold the clip to rearrange the sequence of your videos if needed. Add music or sound. Tap Sounds at the bottom, then hit Replace Sound and choose a trending sound or upload your own audio. Tap on it, then sync your clips with the beat for a professional look. Apply effects and filters. Go to Effects, then choose your effects. Then go to Filters. Tap One to choose to enhance your clips with animations, transitions, or color corrections. Add text or stickers. Use the text tool to add captions or titles to specific parts of the video. Now tap Stickers. Add stickers for a fun touch by tapping one. Preview your video. Tap the play button to watch your video from start to finish. Make final edits to transitions, text, or timing as needed. Post your video. Tap Next. Add caption, hashtags, and privacy settings. And then finally hit Post to share your TikTok video. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.